What is today, ma?
Today's science expo.
Who is your favorite scientist?
Thomas Alva Edison.
What he invention?
Bulb.
Bulb. What is this, Jacqueline?
A dynamo, ma'am.
What is mean by dynamo?
Dynamo is an electric generator to convert mechanical rotation. It's converted to KC energy. KC energy means kinetic energy. To work simple and effortless energy. Sometimes our home was not having current. That time we are using candle or emergency light. Lesser, low class people are using this means they rotate means they can using the free energy, no cost, only energy. Our body generally produce a electric magnetic force. So we rotate having electric force. We rotate means the bulb is glow. Thank you, ma'am.
For a plus b whole square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Who is supporting to do the project?
My maths ma'am supported me to do this project.
How many marks you score in maths?
I scored in third midterm